Okay.
One problem that we'll face when is brilliant sun is cannot see the vision in the telephone, the Android or the tablet. It is not very good. So I make a small modification on my sunshade. You can see that this is the sunshade that I'm using, and I add a small carton and above, a small carton above, and this carton will make a very good job. Very good job. I can view my vision inside the telephone. It is perfect, real perfect. Easy to make it, no problem, and cheap with a carton. Solve the problem with the light inside the tablet. I can view everything. Horizontal. Make turns horizontal. Now vertical. Okay, calibration okay. Now I have to turn off the drone and then turn on.